The Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad Sangma, in his interaction with media persons on the 2nd of August 2023, had spoken on the advantages of implementing the National Education Policy of 2020 in all NEHU-affiliated colleges across the state, not denying the fact that there may be challenges in the initial stages of its implementation, yet he assured the student community that the NEP 2020 will come into force with the support of the state government.
All the colleges are required to move ahead with this. Whether it will happen now or it will happen later, that's something that the Education Department and NEHU will discuss with the respective colleges which are affiliated to NEHU, which is almost all of them. And hence that discussion will happen on a case-to-case basis. But from a larger perspective, as I said, number one is very clear that there is no opposition to the NEP. Everybody knows that it is in the best interest, and hence everybody agrees that it should happen. Number two, everybody also understands that there's a huge challenge to it. It's not that it's easy. All transitions are difficult, and hence we will have to ensure that whatever challenges are there, we have to slowly overcome those challenges. There will be a lot of financial challenges, capacity building, rooms, infrastructure. All of these will have to be created. And third, as I said, from the government side, we will do whatever possible in our hands to support it. Going into details of which college, how far they have reached, what is the status of each college, that we worked out with the respective education department and the respective colleges. We will see to what extent we can support, because there will be a lot of colleges that are there, and we cannot just give a blanket green signal that we'll do everything. The management committee, the college sponsors will also have to work hand in hand with the government to make it happen. So we'll have to see how it goes. But as I said, of course, the government will also be there to support in whatever way possible. But we cannot commit and say that everything will be done by the government. We'll do our best.